So a few months ago, I talked about the IIIF150 Action 15. Now the brand has announced the Pro version of the Action 15, and the device would launch very soon. I don't know its release date, but if you're interested in the device, then feel free to check online. Anyway, the Action 15 Pro is, in my opinion, one of the best feature-packed mid-range devices of 2025. The device has some really nice features which are even absent on most mid-rangers. Now, one of the cool features of this device is the fact that it's rated IP68 and IP69K. So this is a standard device, not a rugged phone, but it has IP68 and IP69K protection, which means the device is waterproof, it is dust-proof, and according to IIIF150, it is resistant to high pressure water jets. Now this phone has a 6.78-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display. The display is curved on both sides, which is nice, and it has 120Hz refresh rate and an under-display fingerprint sensor. The phone is 6.88mm thick, which means it is very slim, and the weight isn't disclosed, but I'm expecting it to weigh a little bit over 200 grams. Now the phone has a rear display, which is very nice. It's customizable as well, but the most interesting feature about the rear display is the fact that you could use it with the main rear camera, which is a 50MP Sony IMX766 sensor, to take selfies. So instead of using the phone's 32MP selfie camera, you can use the rear display and the main rear camera to take better and clearer shots. The phone packs a 5100 mAh battery and it supports 30 watts fast charging. The phone is powered by the MediaTek Helio G100 processor paired with 8GB RAM and 256GB internal storage. I don't know if it supports memory card expansion. And finally, it ships with the Android 15 OS with IIIF150's custom skin on top called OXO or OXO OS. So these are the top features of the IIIF150 Action 15 Pro. I don't know when it's going to be available, as I mentioned earlier. If you're interested, then you can feel free to check online to see if it's available or not. But what are your thoughts? Feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.